Page 44, Jazz Jig. Guess it's supposed to sound like jazz? I don't know. Let's see. There's nothing new being presented in this lesson. We're just using the stuff we have. And all those notes they show in the chart up there, you need to know what all those notes are in the music. Everything. Instantly. Just keep drilling yourself until it's instant in both clefs. So I look it over. It's a page long. Clef signs, a treble bass clef. 3/4 time signature. We've been in 3/4 for a while. We're working on that. And I see a bunch of quarter notes. Mostly, a few quarter rests. So the hands are just playing one hand at a time. I'll take both hands together. See, normally when I learn a new piece of music, I like to take it just one hand at a time, make sure I got it, and then I do the other hand, and then I try and put them together, which is almost like starting over. But so far in this book, it's just one hand or the other playing. So I'm going to take them both. That shortens the video a little bit. And the chart, again, don't use the chart, please. That's nice. It's a pretty little thing, but look at the music. That tells you where to put your hands. In the first measure, you want your right hand thumb on middle C. That puts the hand here. And when the left hand comes in measure 5, the second, remember the boxes at the beginning of the lines above the staff and the little box, the numbers in the boxes? Those are measure numbers. So in measure 5, the left hand is second finger here on the A. That puts the hand here. So you're here. And that's how you need to figure out where your hand goes, not that chart. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it's here, 1. It's all quarter notes. Oh. You take it at any speed you want to, but keep it slow right now. And then once you know you can play all the notes okay, go back and make sure there's no hesitations anywhere. And once you can do that, then I add the articulation. We have slurs. And they don't really give us any other articulation. I'm going to suggest you separate these repeated notes a little bit. Not. Separate them a little more just for interpretation. And so we put in the slurs. Now in the last line, you have this slur over the first 2 measures there. I would suggest you go ahead and slur it all the way through the third or measure 15. Those 2 notes, the 2 notes that are slurred, connect those to the slur. Do it all in one. Do it all in one. Don't have to, you could disconnect it. You see it as a slur. Remember the rules for slurs. You connect the notes within a slur, but you don't always disconnect before and after a slur. It depends on what the music needs. So in here, these are slurs, so I don't have to lift up between them. I can connect them. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. And that's what I'm recommending. So once I have the articulation in, then I think about the dynamics. And the only dynamic they give you is the F at the beginning. Forte means loud, whatever you think loud is. Don't get carried away. It's not super duper loud, just loud. And then the speed. With driving energy. Oh, lovely. That's a rather fast piece, and you don't have to take it that fast. You take it at your speed. Just make sure it's accurate and the notes are even. Something like that, and you don't have to go that fast. It's up to you. Whatever your driving energy is, that's close enough. Now remember the natural accent? First beat of every measure. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If you need to, exaggerate it, but it's got to be there. Exaggerate it even in the last line. I'm exaggerating it, but you need to just feel it eventually. Just feel it, and it'll come across. If you'll feel it, you'll play it. Let's play this together very slowly and check that you have the correct notes. I would say correct notes and rhythm, but they're all quarter notes. Hopefully you can get that okay. So I'll give us 3 counts, And we're going to go slow now. Now we're not performing it, we're just checking notes and rhythm. If we had a rhythm, we'd check it. 1, ready, go. Rest, rest. As a duet for this at the bottom, I'd like to play that. I need you to go up an octave on the keyboard again. Remember, an octave is an interval of an eighth or letter. So just pretend the middle C instead of here is up here. So instead of here, you're here. You play it up here. I'm going to speed it up a bit, but I'm not going to take it as fast as they suggest. I'll give us 3 counts. See, so it's going to go this fast now. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's here. So make sure you can play it that fast or this won't work. Now I'm going to alter this accompaniment a little bit, so I'm playing something on every beat because we got to stay together. We'll try it. 1, ready, go.